Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got this Ergobaby Metro Plus compact stroller. So I'm gonna unbox today and then go try it out with our kids. Alright, so the unboxing was very straightforward. Take it out of the box. There's no need to assemble anything. There's a latch on the side. Unlatch it, the whole thing will come apart. And it's first impression, super simple to use from the look of it. And also, it looks very sturdy for something that's fairly lightweight. And it's super compact as well. So anyway, let me read up the instruction and then see if there's anything I need to watch out for or some of the feature, and then go try it out with our kids. All right, now let's talk about some of the usage and feature of this stroller. For starter, this stroller is for newborn up to 50 pounds or 4 years, whichever comes first. And maximum height of the kit and should be no more than 40 inches. The size of this stroller is 21 by 17 by 9 inches and weighs in at 17 pounds. So this is very compact and is easily be able to fit it into most of airplanes overhead storage bin. The maximum weight the seat back pocket can hold is 3 pounds, and for the stroller's basket underneath should be no more than 5 pounds. More than the recommended loads will cause the stroller to become unstable. To fold this stroller is very simple. On top of the handlebar where you can slide and hold, then press the button to start the folding procedure. Once the stroller is down, there is a strap in the center of the seat. Pull upward and then the whole stroller will come folded. That's how you're gonna fold the stroller. It's very simple. On the side there's a latch. Make sure the latch is latched on. The seat can be adjusted. There's a tab on the back of the seat where you squeeze and pull down. That's how you lower the seat. By raising the seat, pull the straps by the tab, and that's how you raise the seat. The leg rest can be raised. I simply pull the leg rest upward. To lower it, there are 2 tabs on the side. Press them both at the same time, and that's how you lower the leg rest. This stroller can turn into a mini bassinet for the newborn, or they call it the newborn nest. What you do is you lower the seat completely and then raise the leg rest all the way to the top position. And there are a couple of tabs on the side. You need a strap on as well. That's how you turn the stroller into a bassinet for a newborn baby. Or if your kid needs to sleep lying down, this is what you can do as well. The handlebar on top can be raised or lowered depending on the parent's height. The stroller also comes with a canopy and also a peekaboo on top of the canopy. Now let's talk about the likes and dislikes. First of all, this stroller is very lightweight and compact, so it's easy for you to transport. And secondly, even though it's lightweight, but it feels really sturdy and maneuver really well when you are pushing on it. Also, while you are outside, if your baby needs to take a nap, you can do that by pull the seat all the way down and raise the leg rest. Lastly, the seat cover can be unattached and is machine washable, so making clean the stroller very easily. Now the things I don't like about the stroller, for one, the price tag is pretty high. At the time of filming, the stroller is at $299. I'll put the most up-to-date pricing down in the description below so you can go check it out. Secondly, there's a maximum usage for this stroller, which is a newborn up to 50 pounds or 4 years old, whichever comes first. So don't expect to use the stroller beyond the 4 years of age limit. Another thing I don't like about this stroller is the amount of money that you pay. You don't get cup holder or a stroller carry bag. Now those things can be purchased separately, but it's not any of the accessory that comes with the stroller when you first purchase it. Lastly, is this compact stroller only holds one kit. So if you have more than one kit, then you might have to purchase accessory separately to attach to the stroller. Now at the time of filming, I don't have that accessory, which I'm going to purchase later. So look out for the upcoming video for that accessory. Anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.